Mr. Saito, our customer is using an Amada bandsaw machine HFA 400W and wants to buy Amada saw blades to improve efficiency. What do you suggest?
To improve efficiency with an Amada bandsaw, I'd recommend using the Amada-specific saw blades. They're designed to work best with our machines, ensuring better performance and longer blade life. The right blade can really make a difference in cutting speed and finish quality, so please tell them to contact our agent in Vietnam, HASON Technology and Trading Co. Ltd., for the best advice and support.